Everyone, welcome to the Altcoin of the day, and it is XRP. It's turning at number 3 on CoinMarketCap with a market capitalization of almost $8 billion and is trading around $17.6 cents. And I think it's a nice buying opportunity again because it has sold off very severely towards 12 cents, more or less, almost 10 cents, and now trading around 17.6 cents. And if you take a look at a smaller time frame, and that is a shorter time frame, this is a 4-hourly basis, a buying signal has been generated with the trading navigator around 15.5 cents, and we see re-entries all over the place with the next push from $16 towards 18. Again, now XRP is a little bit range bounding and in the trading range of a few cents, and the 20 cents is coming up soon, in my opinion. And if you take a look for a next buying opportunity, that would be now. With the trade navigator in our back, we can go to the $19.49 cents, and if you're lucky, go to the $26-25 cents. Of course, many people have been squeezed out of the market recently. That's not a good sign. However, for our crypto portfolios, the HODL portfolio, and also the dollar cost averaging, we always added every week some XRPs, so that's a good sign. For the swing trading portfolio, I would like to add some XRPs more. Now on 27th of March, yesterday we bought some hedge, and today is the next buying opportunity, XRP, which will be published to our crypto traders, premium members, of course. I wish you a very pleasant evening. If you would like to take a look for more information, go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Ciao.